here we are, Broughty Ferry Pier, testing the GoPro Silver on a gimbal with no external mic, just using the onboard microphone. There's a slight breeze today, so I'm expecting a wee bit of wind noise. Here we are, there's the Broughty Ferry Castle with the cannonball holes in it. So I'll just basically wander about a wee bit, I'll not do too much chatting away. And let's see how it stands up to the wind noise and other noises. It's actually quite a nice day today. It's awfully close. Thank goodness for that wee breeze. I'm starting to boil in the car. I see some chappies fishing at the end of the pier. Have a wee chat with him maybe. I've always wondered about this chap in this van. It just sits here permanently all the time. It's full of junk. I think he's waiting for the apocalypse. Right, here we go. There's the other piers in the background there. That's all the oil rig stuff. And beyond that, of course, is the two bridges, the road bridge and the railway bridge. And this little building here's the Amphibious Swimming Club. These mad people do things like dive into the harbour in the middle of winter and swim across the other side of the Tay and stuff like that. Absolutely crazy. Well, nice wee breeze brought the yacht people out. It's flats. So they've got a nice view. Is that them at the window? I'll give them a wave. Oh, there's, I don't know if you'll see it, but I'm waving at Izzy. They're at the window. Yeah, we can see me. Any luck? No.
Oh, well, sunlight. So I played.
Yeah. I used to fish here a lot when I was a lad. We used to catch fish, but now you just sit there and enjoy the view and catch nothing. I'll take a wee wander around and see if there's any nice bits of driftwood down there. The only problem with living here is car parking. It's really, really busy. Yeah, take a wee wander down here, see if there's any nice bits of driftwood. I've been down here a few times and picked up some really nice little bits of driftwood, which I take home and clean up, and I bleach in a tank and for a couple of days, and then I'll rinse them for a couple of days, dry them out, and they're really, really good ornaments for the gecko vivariums, because they like to climb, or at least the crested geckos like to climb. It's not the best time for looking for driftwood. You're better after a storm or something, but you know, you never know. It's quite popular, this area. A lot of people come down here for driftwood.
I got a big one to make a big one.
Yeah, not much Well, there we are. It's Broughty Ferry looking across. See the bridges there, Fife. There's the pier and the castle in the background. It's quite nice out here, very nice day. Well, that's about it, I think. So I hope it's been a worthwhile little test. The only other thing I could do is maybe reposition the microphone, but where to put it, it's still going to be in the wind.
Yeah, it's a memorial bench. Yeah. And people's families.
Right, I think that's about as much footage as I need. So we'll end this test and we go and get a cup of tea.